The Nike Dunk low-washed teal snakeskin gives the retro silhouette a street-ready makeover with reptilian flair. The long top makes use of a leather upper that pairs a stark white base with fox snakeskin overlays in a vibrant teal hue. Bleached coral accents land on branding elements that include the signature swoosh and Nike tongue tag. The pastel hue makes yet another appearance on the rubber outsole, featuring a concentric circle traction pattern made for gripping the hardwood. Nike Dunk Low Snakeskin is a retro, early snakeskin look, honoring the South Beach color scheme. The low collar shoe has infused summery wash teal. Nike Dunk Low Snakeskin has a white leather base in the upper with a perforated toe box. The overlays and heels have a green teal snakeskin. The green teal extends to the tongue tags, laces, and sock liner. There's a pink swoosh on the panels. The midsole is white and made of rubber. The treaded outsole is also rubber but pink in color. Subscribe for more unboxing.